One of the things that I absolutely love about Five Below is they always have amazing deals outside, okay? Like this macaroni and cheese play set. This is really, really cute, $3.25. They also have these jumbo fly-in discs, which I believe is probably $5. They have these soccer balls, which are $5 as well. Who remember hula hoops, okay? Scented hoops. Ooh, child, fancy, $2. They also have the glow in the dark boards. These are $5. Oh, honey, is the hula hoops. Let me know if you guys was really good at hula hooping. Honey, I definitely wasn't, okay? Now, Five Below also have these All-Star basketballs, which are $5. They also have these pool noodles, which are $1 a piece. And then they also have some more soccer balls, which are $5. If you guys are looking for some outdoor mats, Five Below definitely has it. These are reversible mats. These are $5. They also have some pillows. These are cute, honey, bright and bright. $5 as well. And then they also have the jumbo pinwheels. Ooh, honey, it's giving fancy. $4. So if you guys are looking for some swimming mats, Five Below definitely have them. These are $5. They come in several different colors. Absolutely love these. They have the goggles. That's $5. Really fancy. This is amazing deal. So the Solar Flare body butter, these are $5. This is amazing. Chill Soothe and Body Serum, these are $5 as well. They also have the Ducky Target Toss, which is $5. This is a cool game. Now, if you guys are looking for some tumblers, stainless steel insulated tumblers, these are $5. Now, this is absolutely lovely. Outdoor modern collapsible baskets. Look at this. This is fancy. They have them in two different colors. They have the red and also the blue. This is how it looks. Really, really cool. Really, really nice. Honey, fashionable. If you guys are looking for a cooler tote bag, this is $5. This is really, really cool. Right, my love. So if you're looking for some shiny gel shine nail tips, Five Below definitely have it. You get 25. These are really, really cute. These are $4. Absolutely love them. When it comes to the sandals, look at these. These are cute. $5. Ooh, child. These are really, really cute. These are $5 as well. Really, really nice. Ooh, honey. Get into it. They also come in brown too. Ooh, child. Now these, they look kind of cheap if I'm being honest. Okay, those are $5. They also have these dresses over here. These are cute, especially for one hot summer night. These are $7. Really, really nice. They also have the leopard. This is $5. No, this is $7. So if you guys are definitely looking for some bottles, silicone bottles, Five Below, they definitely has them. These are really cute. They $5. They have the sleeve on them, coated bubble bottles. Really, really nice. This is one of the reasons why I love coming here as well. Oh, look at this one. This is cute with the butterfly. This is really, really nice. So if you guys are looking for some ultimate sponge and puff sets, Five Below is definitely the place to be. These are $5. Absolutely gorgeous. They also have the smoke and mirrors 11-piece complete eye essentials kit. This is really, really cute. Contour brush. Honey, for $5, this is definitely a steal deal. Ultimate brow styling kit. This is really, really nice. Get into it. This is $5. Buildable courage. Adds definition and subtle volume, but it's really these are really cute, and even the packaging. So check this out. They have the dancing water speakers. Stitch, honey, absolutely love this. This is $20. Really, really cute. They also have the expanding plush, which is $15. Absolutely love it. Elvis Stitch LED karaoke microphone. This is $10. Honey, fan. All right, family, let me know what was your favorite item. Okay, items, okay? I'm always blown away by the makeup and stuff that they be having for $5. Honey, it's so inexpensive. It's not even funny. The buildable eyebrow case that they have, well, set that they have is really nice. And those nails, not for nothing, those was absolutely beautiful, okay? With that being said, keep on rocking out, believing in yourselves, keep going, keep growing. Until next time. Peace.